Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing components and prioritizing safety. You want a stable thermal path. Mount the 1030W COB LED to the aluminum heatsink with thermal paste. Tighten evenly so the LED sits flat. Once done, attach the LED leads to the constant current driver output. Make sure polarity is correct and wires are insulated. Then position the 60 mm parabolic reflector over the LED, roughly 20-40 mm from the die, to begin concentrating light. Do not power yet, check all fasteners. Now refine beam shaping and power. You adjust reflector distance to reduce hotspots. 20 to 40 mm is typical. Small shifts alter beam width significantly. Next, mount the 50 mm convex lens at the reflector's focal plane using a spacer that doesn't conduct heat, because the lens must stay aligned and cool. Once optical alignment feels right, wire the driver input to your DC supply or adapter, include an inline switch and fuse, and secure cable strain relief so connections don't loosen during use. Finish with methodical testing and a quick safety check. Power the unit briefly and watch LED temperature. Use an IR thermometer and keep readings under 75 degrees Celsius by improving cooling if needed. If the beam is uneven, make small 1-2 mm axial adjustments to the lens or reflector until the hotspot smooths. Once satisfied, lock components. And if you encounter flicker or instability, check wiring and replace the driver. Insufficient current regulation is the most common cause, so make sure your driver matches the COB rating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.